petition filed before the Supreme Court today is casting doubts of bribery in the higher judiciary. In September, the CBI raided a retired High Court judge in Odisha and 4 middlemen over charges of bribery and corruption. CBI claimed that it has discovered that bribes were sought for influencing a case pending before a senior judge of the Supreme Court. Ashmit Kumar is here with more details. Ashmit, serious allegations coming in. What was argued in court today and what was the final observation?
Indeed, some serious questions being raised, questions that directly point towards perhaps instances of bribery as far as the higher judiciary, as far as the apex court is concerned. And that is the question that was the moot point of this application. Mind you, there are 2 applications in total which are essentially seeking the same thing. The petitions, both these petitions make a direct references to a CBI FIR that was registered. The FIR, as far as the CBI is concerned, clearly states that there was a medical institution in Lucknow-based medical institution that was allowed, that was barred from admitting students, this college was barred from admitting students, and as a result of that, the trust that is backing this medical college had in fact entered into various rounds of litigation, first in the Allahabad High Court, then in the Apex Court. What's critical here is that the CBI, as a part, the petition says that the CBI FIR clearly points out that these persons had in fact, the backers of the medical college had reached out to as many as 4 middlemen and 1 retired judge of the Odisha High Court, and that these people, the 4 middlemen as well as the retired judge, had given assurances to the trust that they will get a favorable order from the Apex Court given their contacts. Now, this was the language used as per the CBI FIR that has been cited by this petition. Now, these concerns were raised importantly. These concerns were heard by the number 2 judge of the Apex Court, that's Justice Telameshwar. He, for now, number 1, has issued notice in this case, issued notice to the centre as well as to the CBI, and on top of that, and perhaps more importantly, agreed that this matter requires deliberation, has not dismissed the matter, has agreed that this matter requires further deliberation, has agreed to constitute a constitutional bench. A constitutional bench essentially means 5 judges or more, has added a further caveat that the 5 judges in question would be the 5 senior-most judges of the Apex Court, and finally has said that this matter requires urgent hearing. The case will resume on November 13, that's this coming Monday. So some big questions await answers this coming Monday.
Oh,